Fucking take a picture of her.
Yeah, don't. He's right. Don't fucking take a picture of her.
I love this song.
Who is it? Who is it?
Papa Roach.
I think I've heard the song before. I think it was on a video game I was playing.
I had it as my multimedia on guy for like 2 years. This song, but it was a Naruto AMV.
No
Really
wonder.
good.
You nerd! You turn it down a bit.
I believe it's called Naruto Battle.
Nartard, Twitard.
Yeah.
Oh no, hey! Don't do that, please. Say hi, Em. Say hi. Hi from England, say that. I'm recording, yeah.
Up my nose.
Yes. No, it's not. Hi from England. Don't say an American accent, you butthole.
I had my finger in there.
At least it's not an American, which is a sad thing.
Go away.
And you're spinning. Oh my god! The house. Burning down the house.
Annie M.
Burning down the house. And then you heard the used version of Burning Down the House.
No.
You suck. You're not even a used fan. You like suck ass. You have the used poster and the My Chemical Romance, and then the used poster that I had first, and then all the posters I had before her, and then the Watch poster of the Joker poster. You freaking fake. I'm a fake. I'm a fake. That should be your song. Your theme song. Totally be your theme song. Look, now she's sad. You suck! No!
I don't like it.
No!
Let me take that, yeah?
No!
Look at that smile.
No! Don't do it, Mia. You look so emo right now, it's funny. Since you're wearing pink and blue jeans. You look emo. How do the emos act like at your school?
That's cute. No. My friends do that. They can't really have emos because they have to wear a uniform.
Yeah, they can. They can even. They still have the hair. They can still be loners.
Wait, do you have like a hot emo guy at school? We don't.
We used to, Willie. Oh my god.
God, he was gorgeous.
I know.
And then he shaved his head.
That was disgusting.
That was gross. He had such nice hair. And all like that.
I know, he was so nice too. He was in my PE class.
We have colorful emos. Scene kids?
Those are scene kids.
I love scene kids. Their hair is
They're cool.
awesome.
Diggle hates them. She's like, fucking scene. She's our style. You know, emo stole the goth style. You don't see them being all pissy.
Yeah, well actually there was. In Mexico they had this whole thing on emos versus goths and rockers.
Really?
Yeah.
Didn't they ban all
It was
gothic
fucking
stuff?
brutal. No, that was Russia.
Yeah,
It
Russia.
was fucking brutal too. Like a bunch of people got like mauled.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuckers, scene or emos?
Emos.
Oh man, emos need to prevail.
Scenes weren't even in it.
Really? Wait, oh, right. Gothics have like freaking pagans and, yeah.
Shit. Yeah.
It is very important to talk
I
about.
love this next song. It always makes me think of Mikey.
Look at my chew! Munch, munch. Finger. Look, I'm gonna eat Emily. You're gone. Ow! You suck. Suck it. That's what Bob always says, suck it. I'm gonna pop Emily like it's it. Yeah, it disappeared. Poke, poke. Look at my smiley face. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Go away.
Say hi, gorgeous.
Hi, gorgeous.
Stop it, Mia. You're being a pissy English person. So what do English people think of Americans?
So fat.
No thanks.
Ugh. That's scary.
Well, we think English people have bad teeth.
Chatham.
Chatham? Where?
He said it was scary.
There? I can't see my hands in my face. Get him!
That's not loud.
It's not loud. Oh, look at my sister's bass. My guitar's over there somewhere. And you pissy
My
bitch.
face is named Space, and he is prettier.
Mine's Baby and or Gerard Blade McCracken.
Gerard Blake McCracken.
Like from Smother Me. Oh my gosh. I had that poster before. Copycat. What are you looking at? You? Ow, you suck. I need to take a shower anyway.
Are you sure recording?
This is random.
Yeah.
I knew it. Why does it sound so weird? Is it live? Yeah, it is.
It's the only one I got.
Suck it.
You won't let me freaking borrow your phone.
Oh my god, you're so lame, Mia.
I have nice English teeth.
Yeah, she has nice teeth. I have horrible teeth on the other hand. Look at my heart. I know, I have teeth like this. It's my foot. It's my foot. It's so sad.